So you want to add a record in ServiceNow on a new lead in Salesforce. But do you really have the time to do that manually every time you have a new lead? It can be quite tiresome. That's where Automate.io comes in. It's a simple tool to connect your favorite web apps. To begin, visit this page, click on our use case box, and then click the Try Now button. To begin, you will see the Add Account screen. Here, you will add your ServiceNow and Salesforce accounts to Automate.io. Authorize these apps by clicking on the Add button and entering your credentials. And we always keep your data secure with bank-level encryption, and we are GDPR compliant. After successfully authenticating your apps, you will land on the Configure page. On this page, you will configure the specific data that you want to transfer from Salesforce to ServiceNow. Once you complete this step successfully, Automate.io will create a record on ServiceNow whenever you get a new lead in your Salesforce. First, let's focus on Salesforce, which is our trigger app. It is used to define when our automation should start. And this is when you get a new lead in Salesforce. And now, coming to ServiceNow, this is our action app, which defines what action should happen in the workflow. In our case, we want to add a record on ServiceNow whenever we get a new lead in Salesforce. For this automation to work, you need to fill the right values in the required input fields for ServiceNow. We will select the table from this dropdown where we want our Salesforce data to go to. Note that the field names that appear below the table name are taken from the columns in our example table in ServiceNow. You will see different input fields based on your own tables. And they can be filled out by dragging and dropping relevant data from Salesforce like this. And this data will help you get insights into your Salesforce leads. We've now set up our automation. Now, let's move on to test it out. Go ahead and click Done. In this stage, you will test your newly created automation, which we will call a bot. The purpose of this step is to double check whether our bot works the way we would like it to or not. And we can do this by either entering sample data or by creating a new lead in Salesforce. I will show you how to test by creating a new lead in Salesforce. Now come back to your Automate.io dashboard and click I'm done, run the test. You will see that the test runs successfully. Now let's check our ServiceNow app and see if the new record has been created. There you go. Your bot will now run in the background and do all of this work for you. So if you want to try out this automation, click on the link below to get started quickly. Questions? We're available 24/5 on our in-app chat, or you can email us directly on help@automate.io. Thanks again for watching this video.